Hello, Rose here. So, you want to get yourself a Goth Girl? Now, there's a couple of very important rules that you need to make sure you take account of before even attempting to go anywhere near one of the mythical Goth creature females. But before we get into that, what is a Goth Girl? No one knows. Where do they come from? No one knows. It is assumed that Goth Girls come from nowhere. They exist without existence. Spawned as a twisted manipulation between human and demon. Brewed from a concoction of bats, rats and Bauhaus CDs. Now for those mere mortals wishing to snag themselves a Goth GF, it may seem impossible. It may seem an insurmountable task, but it is possible. For it is a long and arduous journey. The path will be long, difficult, and wrought with dangers and perils. But it is all a necessary evil in the quest for that big titty Goth GF. As you embark on your quest to track down the mythical Goth GF, you must only pack the essentials, for everything else will be stripped from you. Firstly, for your own safety, as you travel into the fiery depths. As protection from unwanted demons, you'll need holy water, at least 6 litres. That's UK litres because nobody understands American litres. Just because you found your way down the path to the fiery depths doesn't mean you're going to locate the mythical Goth girlfriend straight away. She'll be off somewhere deep in the woods, looking for bones and wet specimens. So you'll need to lure her in. You'll need to bring a tape cassette playing an assortment of 1980s synth rock tracks. Once you've lured your prey in, you'll need to trap her to prevent her from escaping back into the forest from whence she came. You can do so by scattering around in a circle, pages torn from any Edgar Allan Poe literature. But once she realizes she's trapped, she'll become hostile and dangerous. You'll need to provide her with gifts to calm her, namely eyeshadow palettes with plenty of black, razors, not out of any dark or mysterious sense. Those girls just shave a lot of things, they get through a lot of razors. And hairspray, because they use a lot to backcomb that hair. You may now finally have the Goth Girl contained, but the fight's not over. To finally win the battle, you must appease her Lord and Saviour, Robert Smith. So you should also bring an assortment of children's toys for him to sit on the floor and play with, while the rest of his band has serious business discussions. So if you're still here by now, you probably worked out I was taking the piss. And if I do get loads of stupid comments, which I probably will, it'll come from people who didn't watch the whole video and thought I was being serious. Okay, but for reals, Goth girls, yeah, they're pretty amazing. But here's the secret. They're just like everyone else. Anyone who does this thing, who puts crap on their face and listens to weird music and dresses differently, is just like everyone else. There's no proven way of attracting a certain kind of person, other than showing a bit of interest in their interests. If you try and take a little bit of an active step towards understanding the kind of things she likes, then she's gonna be ever so slightly more inclined to give you the time of day. However, Goth girls the world over are the masters at seeing through bullshit. If you try and mess her about or lie to her, she'll know. So do Goth girls like this thing? Yeah, some do. No, some don't. They're just like everyone else. You might think I look weird. Some of them are going to think I look weird. You might think I look good. Some of them are going to think I look good. It doesn't matter. They're the same as everyone else in the way that no one is the same. Everyone has their own likes and dislikes. Everyone has their own tastes. Everyone has the things that float their boat and the things that don't. So if that's what you're really after, go outside and meet people instead of sitting here watching stupid videos. No, I'm only messing with you. I haven't been feeling too great lately, so this was just a bit of a light-hearted and jokey video to lighten my own spirits mainly, and hopefully you got a little bit of a laugh out of this or whatever. it was good fun to make, so I'm happy. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you agree with anything that I said, or if you perhaps disagree with anything I said, put it down in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And while you're at it, why not subscribe? Stay weird.